All right, so for this next feature, I want to add in um, trading indicators. So like RSI, MACD, and Bollinger Bands is what I want to start with. So let's, yeah, so I want to add some actual technical indicators here, RSI, MACD, and the Bollinger Bands. Uh, right now we're using the Trading View Lightweight Charts API, and um, when I was looking into how to add these technical indicators, it looks like we'll have to do a more manual approach if we want to do this for free. So, yeah, just to recap, basically, at the moment, we're bringing in the Yahoo Finance API to be able to uh, search for a stock ticker, and then we're able to render it using the TradingView API lightweight charts as a candlestick chart. Um, as well, we get an AI analysis from Anthropic, and we can also ask questions. Right? So it's Saturday, so the stock market's not open. But yeah, there you go. So just for fun, we'll say, what is the technical indicator Bollinger Bands do? Let's all learn something. Okay. Um, yeah, Bollinger Bands consist of three lines, a middle branch, an upper branch, and a lower branch. That are plotted two standard deviations from the middle, two standard deviations below the middle. The bands provide a visual representation of a stock's volatility and momentum. Traders use Bollinger Bands to identify potential support and resistance levels and all that. So yeah, basically, we have a nice chat interface here. Anthropic API, Claude is what's going on in the back end there. So yeah, the next thing to do is to add the Bollinger Bands, the RSI, and the MACD. So let's get it going. To add technical indicators to overlay onto the candlestick chart. RSI, MACD, Bollinger Bands. So there's a library called technical indicators that I'm considering telling it. One thing at a time. Let's give it some context. So floating chat stock search. Okay, so then we going to want, yes, this is what we want. We want all the routes for the API. Need to add, okay, and then chart we'll bring in. Okay. Let's see what we get. Okay. Okay. They can see that we're using lightweight charts. We'll add this overlay. First, let's create a utility file for calculating technical indicators. Okay, so it's going to manually do it and then overlay the CSS on top of it. Cool. This is really impressive, actually. So, okay, now it'll create the enhanced candlestick chart component with technical indicators. Okay. Should be getting there. Cool. That was really fast. Okay. Um, just a summary. We added the technical indicators, interactive controls, and chart layout, technical indicator calculations, visual enhancement. Okay. Okay, let's see what we got. Let's go. Source utils. We'll have technical indicators in there. Technical indicators. TS. Okay. Indicators. This is where I check the spelling 150 times. Technical indicators, where the L and the I look almost the same. Okay, let's run it. Okay, it's happy there. Next. Let's refactor this. Got some issues. Yeah, RSI. Okay, so it's defined but never used. Okay. It's not assignable. Let's see what happens. We'll bring this over here, candlestick. Candlestick chart and the components. Here we go. We already did the technical indicators utility file. Interesting. Perfect. The technical file. Okay, cool. It's so cool that it can you can read it can correct itself basically. Create the technical file, and the technical indicator file exists and looks good. So that's pretty cool. Okay, we're getting there. Alrighty. Let's give this a try. Refresh. Object dismissed. Yeah, we got some problems. Well, it actually did get it a 200. It's really a front end issue. Okay, let's try that again just for fun. Yeah, okay. candlestick chart.tsx. Okay. Trading view light with charts. The error object is disposed occurs because React strict mode runs effects twice in development, causing the charts to be disposed multiple times. Okay. Read that more. The error is a classic React strict mode in trading view lightweight's chart issue. The issue object is disposed happens because React strict mode in development runs effects twice. The first effect creates the charts and then removes them. Okay. The second effect tries to remove the charts that are already disposed. When you try to call the remove method on an already disposed chart, it throws this error. This is the issue is in the cleanup function where we were trying to remove charts that might already be disposed. Okay. We need proper checks. Cool. So safe remove chart function wraps the chart removal in a try and catch. Okay. Okay, there it is. Let's give that a shot. Okay. There I see. Okay. We got something. RSI. Let's turn the Bollinger Bands off. So RSI, very cool. Can we move it? And then the MACD. Okay, cool. Yeah, perfect. This is what we want. Really cool. Okay. Okay. So when we remove them all, that's cool. There we go. I was confused about that line. Okay, so we can add Bollinger Bands, upper band, middle band, lower band. Pretty sick. And then we can add RSI, which will then render here. And then we can do MACD right there. I think I just need to figure out a way how to, make sure this is accurate. But we'll get there. I think, yeah, because right now this AI assistant has no context awareness of any of these indicators. That's pretty damn close though for how long that took. That wasn't too hard. This is really cool. This is really, really cool. Okay. Yeah, I'm hyped. Let's see Amazon. I'm waiting on an Amazon package right now. RSI, okay. MACD, yeah. AI analysis right here. This is starting to come together. We'll figure out this whole thing later. Yeah, so let's save this and then see what we can do. Okay. Yeah, I think that's all I'm going to do for today. And so for uh, the next video, we will get the ability to actually chat with our AI assistant here, and we'll be able to bring in this chart uh, to be able to analyze. We'll use base 64 so it can break it down and then visually understand um, what's going on. So we're basically going to feed in a snapshot picture into the AI being processed through a base 64 integration process. So yeah, very cool. We're coming along. Um, yeah, we're making good headway. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.